back with another video. Please join the Peeps and Creep Squad by like, comment, share, and subscribe. And so today I'll be playing with my slime and showing y'all how big bubbles I can do. This won't be that big because look, it already broke. So that ain't good. Alright, so. And then after I'm done with this coffee, I'll make another one. Show y'all how I make it. It's like a pinkish little color. See, bubble. Do that. And I'm about to show y'all a swirl. And then, 809.
It's 8:09.
You have to do that.
Huh?
Do that. My swirl. Look how good my swirl is about to be. It usually be bigger if I. 1 second, I'm gonna do this. What? What? Tell Granny, she's tired. Man, our mama just worked 41 hours. And she's coming to sleep for 5 hours. She just now went to sleep at 5. And so it is now 8:09. And she wants her to wake up. Because she never spends time. She spends a lot of time with us. We had watched a movie yesterday night together. We watched a movie, Matilda. It's my favorite movie. We was even sleeping with her last night. So I don't know what she's talking about. You didn't even sleep with me, bitch. Shut the fuck up. Alright, look. Alright. I'm about to do a swirl.
Watch Netflix.
Alright, go ahead.
Watch Netflix. You recording? Again? It's like you're freaking, I don't know, like your 6th, 7th time recording? Which one lift for this? Give me some. Let me try. Wait, you got any more? You got any more?
You want to make some more? All you have to do is just put a little bit more inside the thing. This is all you have to do, watch.
I know what to do. Well, look, wait, no, why did you unplug it? Granny unplugs hers?
Alright, look at this. So you have to go to 4.
Number 4? Okay, let me see. You know what? You know what's faster?
Take this. I think this is 4 already. So this is for make some more coffee.
Let me see. Alright, let me see.
For this.
No, that's not new 4.
That's
Here,
2.
I got it. Here. I got this.
I'm about to make it. Alright, so watch.
Alright, here, go dump this up.
This still got a little bit up in there.
I know.
Alright, so you have to press. Close it. Unless you want
They
to
don't
burn
have no
stuff.
creamer in it.
Yeah, there is.
But you used that already.
Granny uses it. And then watch, it's going to start making. Alright, so while our coffee is making. I'm going to just drink that coffee. And then play with my slime.
Okay, it's just not making.
Told you.
My phone died. Oh, can I? Oh, midnight. Oh,
This is my favorite TikTok. So stop.
can I at least like
Yeah,
have
after alright, 1 second. Can't you understand if you with me? Oh, wait. Before I touch, can't you wait? Before I touch you, can't you understand if you With me, I'll take your man.
What's that?
Stop! Whoa. Stop trying to act stupid before I take it all back. Where is that at? Is that right here? That's right here.
I'm having this, right?
No, you're not having that. What you talking about?
Well, girl, you said I could have this.
If I would have said that, baby, I would have heard me.
You dumb.
Who?
You.
Dumb, I'll take the slime back. Oh, this is Murray's. I don't really like hers. Because it's supposed to be jiggly slime. Look at this. Look at this. It's just, watch.
I hate the texture of it, though. Like the slime is pretty.
It's stringling. Look at that.
Because you're messing it up.
I'm not messing it. All I do was this. And then put it back in. Yeah, they're both like that. Both of your slime.
No, that was hard. There.
Look
It's
at this.
more like squishier or something like that.
It's more like a thing that you do this. But oh, nah, I don't want it. Ugh. I put the pink inside the slime. Somebody's calling you. Oh.
No one's calling me. I'll put some sunscreen up in here.
I put pink up
It
in
might
there.
melt it a little bit. But
Oh, let me see this. Let me see this. Let me see this. I'm gonna give you a piece back. Here, hold that. I put pink up in here, so I'm trying to get it. Give me the lotion.
That's not lotion, just sunscreen.
Lotion.
Well, this thing. I don't know, let me see.
It doesn't smell like nothing. Mine's gonna smell like hands anyway. Alright, so this is just regular lotion, not no. Stop, don't touch it!
I wanted to mix it all in. Well, I wanted to help you mix it all in.
Move, get off of me. Your breath stinks anyway. Before I touch, can't you understand? If you with me, I take your man. Period. Nobody ain't gonna take my name, man. Point blank.
Here, mix
Period.
this all in.
Yeah.
Give me half.
1 second. Let me go do this first. Nobody ain't gonna take my man, not even Marie.
I stole all your minutes. But wait. Or at least try.
Are you even gonna try to?
Jim, what I do now?
Are you even gonna try to steal me?
What I do now?
All right.
Alright, let's unplug it, right? You unplug it. You're scary. Because I have some stuff on it. What's wrong with this slime, Jamie? Huh, Jimmy? Wait, you unplugged it? It's just doing it. It would just do that. It's just gonna do that anyway, so. You made me a cup?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna pour the sugar, okay? Like, don't pour my sugar, okay? Because I wanna see if it's gonna be the right type. Oh, I forgot you was recording, Jamie.
Oh shoot. All right. So let me see this.
Ooh, look at those pokes. Let me see. Alright, wait. Let me restart. Alright. Alrighty, let's see the pokes. Ooh, the pokes are nice. Let's see the stretch. Let's see the bubbles. Let's see the crunch.
Are you gonna want more? Because we're gonna have to dump this before she gets in. Do you think you're gonna want more? Oh yeah.
No.
Alright, so let me show you how much coffee cans my grandma has.
You meant the mugs?
Mugs, whatever the hell. This, they got these two too that me and my sister use. That's really mine, that's really Murray's.
I barely drink
So.
coffee. Guys, I barely drink coffee. Jimmy, you want?
I'll show you how I make mine.
You want some bacon
Usually I
out
put the
here?
sugar up in the cup first.
You want some sugary thing? It's sugar, but it's not sugar. It's probably like sugar mixed with water. I don't know what it's called. Oh no, baking sugar. You want some in this? It'll make it more stickier.
Clean up this mess before Granny gets here.
Can you throw away those plates?
Nope, we have to have that.
Throw away those Ziploc bags. No, I put a hole in it. You in the video? Or it's right there in the video?
Alright, so I'm gonna show you how I do it in just a second.
What is this, like a little quick vlog thing, Majiki?
Yeah. It's been actually 12 minutes already. So first, I washed it.
Here, where's the difference?
Alright, so I get 3 things out of here. So,
What you doing? Oh, you put,
you put the
oh,
sugar.
put too much milk now.
3 sugars.
Why was I about to throw away the scissors? I don't know. That was just
That rhymes, scissors, sugar.
Huh?
Well, that kind of rhymed because you was talking about something. You talked about scissors.
How did that rhyme?
You was like, why so much sugar? Oh, I was about to throw away the scissors.
Oh.
You get it now? No, I ain't gonna take my man. Point blank. Period.
Why did all this stay in it?
Cause nobody ain't gonna take my man.
Can I pour a little bit of that sugar?
Do you
over
like
there?
Wayne?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna make sure to show him that this video.
I lied.
I'm gonna make sure, Wayne. Wayne, you heard that.
No, Jamie.
Huh.
Stop, Jamie. I'm not playing.
Marie, here, the pink one's yours. This is mine. You forgot to stir it, stupid.
It's good.
Can't you understand? If you with me, I think you're a man. I'm surprised I didn't make a mess. But I use this spoon to stir both of them. Where you got this from?
Well, what? That up in there.
Inside the sink?
No.
Where?
No, I used that for sugar. Oh, you used.
Where you put it at? Where you put it at? Huh? Stop doing that!
Up in there. Right there.
Put it up. I can't reach from all the way up there. I'm about to put up my slime.
No.
Yes,
No.
yeah. Because if Granny sees this big old mess, she's gonna fuss. Show off. I'm just saying. No, I'm not being a show off. You got to wet it, stupid. You know how
Wait,
she
whose
keeps
phone's
her-
ringing?
That's what I'm saying. I keep hearing
I
that.
did too. Like I keep hearing her phone ring.
Put it up. Pick it up.
Jimmy, no, Jimmy, don't. Let's get it.
Put it up.
I will put it.
And since I'm being a show off, I can take away that slime. Because I'm showing off. And I want to do something to make them think I'm the boss. So, here's your coffee.
Thank you, Sissy. You're really, really nice to me. That was so funny. I told her I was gonna add the sugar in. I guess she wanted to show off from the camera. Being a big helper, huh? A big helper, huh? I'm just kidding. Sissy. I love Sissy.
It was not even that funny.
I knew it wasn't up.
Alright,
Man,
I'm about to do a house tour.
No, you're not. Grandma's gonna fuss.
I'm about to do another video today.
Son of a bitch.
She won't know. I'm about to do a house
When
tour.
someone breaks into her house, she will know.
Alright, fine. I'm gonna do a room tour. I already did organize in my room. About to choke. Make sure you go do my 3 videos. Make sure y'all go like, comment, share, and subscribe on my 3 videos that I posted earlier.
Don't do it.
She's trash. Alright, so. You got to wash that cup out because she don't see her. She already knew I was drinking coffee whenever she left. She didn't know I didn't have no more. She knew I had something in my cup then. So you better throw that cup away. Alright, man, put it up there. So,
Jimmy,
what?
your phone keeps on ringing or something?
Thank you.
I'm not playing. Jimmy, I don't want no more coffee.
What?
I don't want no more coffee.
Dump it out then. She's a waster. Maria! Stupid. I hate that girl. She just now went around the room. Across the room. Nothing. Oh, alright. So, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications.
What? Hey guys, it's Ryan here back with another
Thank
video.
you
Go
for tuning in
subscribe to
as
my channel.
always on Peeps and
MJ Squad. Bye, guys.
Creeps. Like me and my yo said, we'll be back with more videos.